Yeah, it sneaks up on you for sure. Today, Mark, going to be very similar with except for the fact that we didn't see rain this morning. Right now it's 77 degrees. It feels like 79, so we do still have that humidity factor. When you look over Cedar Hill right now, you can see a little cloud cover. That's not going to do too much to limit our warming. Something else to consider today, this was also in place yesterday, is that we have an air quality alert for high levels of ozone. That'll be in place throughout the day today. It includes DFW, and right now we do have orange or unhealthy air quality for sensitive groups, meaning people with respiratory issues. So if you fall under that category, you might want to limit your time outside because high levels of ozone are expected this afternoon. Otherwise, it's the heat we're dealing with. 99 for the high temperature today in Fort Worth and in Dallas. That's very similar to what we saw yesterday. 97 in Denton, 99 in McKinney. The thing about today is that the heat index won't be a huge factor. The next several days, it will be. And it's because of this. That ridge of high pressure, it moved west briefly, but it will expand and eventually move over North Texas. What this means is the return of the daily triple digits and really slim to no rain chances, at least for the next several days. Here's how it plays out in terms of our numbers. Today, 99. But the heat index of about 100, so it's not that different. But the next several days, look at those numbers going up. 102 on Tuesday, 104 on Wednesday. The record on that day is 106, so we'll be very close to it. But the heat index will be over 105 during this week, at least during some afternoons this week. So this is dangerous kind of heat. We'll likely see some type of heat alerts issued as we approach Tuesday, Wednesday of this upcoming week. By the way, we've made it to 102 so far this year, so we could be dealing with maybe the hottest day of the year, at least so far as we approach this upcoming week. We're also closely watching the tropics. Right now, there is Tropical Storm Debbie, and Tropical Storm Debbie is just to the southwest of Tampa by 155 miles, at least the center of circulation. But look at how this track is taking shape. It looks like it's going to strengthen in the next 24 hours to Category 1 hurricane status before making landfall sometime Monday along Florida's Big Bend. But it does bring in heavy rain to areas of Georgia, the coast region as well. So look at that. We have anywhere from hurricane warnings to tropical storm warnings, tropical storm watches that include areas of the East Coast. And rainfall, this one, that's what's going to be the big thing with this is the rainfall. We could see over a foot of rain in some locations. That's not including the storm surge. No local impacts for us. We'll be dealing with the heat. Again, those temperatures are just going to soar into the triple digits the next several days. The morning lows in the upper 70s. We could squeeze out a little rain sometime next weekend, but right now it looks very dry, Mark.